Mood oils are mood-enhancing aromatherapy roll-ons that support self-care on the go. You don't always have time to stop what you're doing, hit up your altar, and meditate your stress away. That's where mood oils come into play. Mood oils are compact enough to carry in your purse or pocket, yet powerful enough to completely shift your mood or mindset, no matter what the day brings, on the go. We have 2 scents here, expert blended by yours truly for different emotional experiences. We have Indulge, made with rose and cardamom for sensuality and inspiration and invigoration. And we have Tranquil Mood with lavender and chamomile for calm, relaxation, and surrender. Each mood oil comes with its own mantra written on the label to enhance the effects of the essential oils on the mood and your self-care. The mantras create a ritual and offer the opportunity to apply the oils with more mindfulness. The Indulge mantra is, I move from my power and intuition. And the Tranquil Mood mantra is, I surrender with fluidity and ease. The way that you use your mood oils is you take them to the wrists, so you close your eyes. You don't have to close your eyes, but you can. You can take them to the temples, and you just repeat the mantra, whether it's the Indulge mantra or the Tranquil mantra. I move from my power and intuition. I surrender with fluidity and ease. You can take it to the backs of the ears, even the chest, even the palms of the hands. And inhale and repeat the mantra to yourself. I move from my power and intuition. I surrender with fluidity and ease. And come back to center.